What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we need to continue from where we left off in yesterday's video, basically covering all the major cryptocurrencies and where they plan on going in the near future. We've just seen a massive explosion like across the board with all the major cryptos, and what we're seeing now is we're looking for new technical indicators to form new technical patterns and resistances and supports that we can now use to base reference for possible future breakups or breakdowns. So for example, XRP just recently had a major explosion. You guys all know that. We shot up to the upside, incredibly high, as you can see here, huge run to the upside, and now we're starting to consolidate. We're trading out sideways here as expected, and when we zoom in a little bit closer, you'll actually notice, and we've uncovered a new bull flag formation forming here on the 4-hour charts. This, clear as day, although we only have like 2 points of confirmation here, is inevitably forming some sort of pattern here. It is playing out some sort of bull flag. Whether this is the correct angle or we're going to have to tweak the charts just a little bit more in the future, it is apparently showing us something that is of use and is of value, and hopefully in the future will yield us when this breakout could occur again. So I'm excited here. This consolidation downwards is also very helpful, considering we were trading at 85 on the relative strength indicator. Now we're down to 56. That's huge. But moving forward from that, you can see like something like Ethereum here is also consolidating in a beautiful bull flag formation. We have Solana in an ascending fractal, Bitcoin in a beautiful symmetrical triangle, and the stock market, which is currently consolidating downwards. So lots of important things to go over and discuss in today's episode here. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BitFi is giving away $8,100 in free cryptocurrency, completely free, simple, easy. All you have to do is literally make a deposit on the exchange and you can claim up to this amount here, which is crazy, obviously, for some whales. And they're also doing $100 to like anybody that signs up, which is super cool. More information about BitFi will be later on in today's episode here. They are the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that I like to use. And the best part, I kind of like to call it like exchange arbitrage. What you deposit, you can withdraw, and you can keep the bonus in your account here. I've also been talking to BitFi, and they are soon, hopefully, going to be releasing some sort of XRP bonus, which is super cool because XRP broke through $1, which is insane. So more information, I'll keep you updated later this week. But to dive right into today's episode here, you can see yesterday we were talking about the possibilities of another second rally coming on a lot of these cryptos. And this is kind of what we see. I always call it like the basketball method. When you slam a basketball as hard as you can on the ground, typically what happens after that is it swings back to the upside. Maybe not with the same amount of force, but it moves up nonetheless. We fall, we come back up, and it's like the ripple effect here. It slams higher. I'll explain like this. Like we explode up like we did, then we start to consolidate down, and then we do something again, and then it kind of veers out as volume dies off. And this also forms new technical patterns, which you can see we're kind of seeing right now. So I'm excited to go over that. There's a very good chance rallies are going to come soon for a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. So it's definitely important this week to be paying attention to the episodes here. But to dive into today's episode, to look at, let's say, XRP, for example, we have a beautiful bull flag, beautiful run to the upside here, a lower high, lower low pattern. We are filling in this gap, consolidating quite nicely, if you ask me. And as we fill this gap in, what we are looking for here is ideally a break to the upside. I mean, we've been tracking, as you guys know, huge runs to the upside here, huge rallies, beautiful break up like this. We explode to the upside, can start to consolidate downwards here. I know that we have a ton of lines right now, so it definitely gets mashed and a little more confusing, but let me try to clear it up. You can see we have like a beautiful bull flag here, beautiful run up, lower high, lower low pattern, filling in the gap here. And then even this has some sort of consolidative bull flag, much smaller, but apparent nonetheless here, clear as day. You can see a rally up and then consolidation down, filling in this gap. Beautiful. We confirm closure outside of that, and we exploded to the upside. And obviously this rally upwards is not sustainable by any means. And you can see we hit a peak of 94, which I have never seen on XRP before. And now we're starting to slide lower. And what is being unveiled and uncovered is new technical indicators, and this could yield us a break to the upside here. Almost like we could delete this now. I mean, we knew that too. Like we're trading on the 4-hour, which is very aggressive. Lots of consolidation here. So there's lots of things we have to pay attention to, like rally to the upside, lower high, lower low pattern here, filling in this gap, and there's a good chance this will uncover and unveil a new bull flag formation that we can track and trade on here. So what we're looking for, you can see we originally had this line drawn here, but we broke through that, expected. It's 4-hour charts. Things are very aggressive. And we're now looking for like almost like a break to the upside here. A rally to the upside is what we're so patiently waiting for. So keep your eyes peeled on this. We just need this to continue to consolidate out, and then we can kind of get a good understanding of what it is that we're looking for here. You can see downtrend filling in this gap here. And then if we can see a break and an explosion, that's obviously the best case scenario with what we're looking for here is a continued rally. So obviously it's very early, so we need things to pan out just a wee bit more before we can really start making some decisions in regards to buying in or selling short. But focus on this because new patterns are developing here. Same thing would go on BitFi. Like we're going to do these trades on BitFi because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, so on and so forth. Like everything you'd want is offered on BitFi. Take profit, reduce only, market orders, stop limit orders. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And as you guys can see, they even have a demo trading account and then a reward center. So what that means is you can take advantage of these rewards that we were talking about earlier, earn over $80 or up to $8,100, even more, I guess. New users get $100 in free bonus crypto, and then limited time reward of over 8K by literally making deposit bonuses, which is absolutely insane. They have daily bonuses here for you guys to claim, resets every day, and then exclusive benefits that you guys can claim as well to earn even more free crypto. 10% deposit amount on rewards, share your profit, get 10 USDT, first perpetual contract trading, 50 USDT. I mean, there's tons of these that you can claim, and a little goes a long way. It really does. But then after you go on to like the demo trading account, gives you 50K in Monopoly money to test your skill, demo money. Once you get familiar with the exchange, you're making profitable trades using the demo account, you head on over to the live trading account, you use your bonus money, and look, my $10 leverage, check this out, with a market order, if it would listen to me, let's go to bonus right here, okay, and then we should be able, why isn't it letting me? It was a second ago, now it doesn't want to. Very strange. I don't know, but a second ago I was able to do it. Now I don't know. Oh, here we go. So I had it on the wrong setting here. So with this here, you can see, come on. We can leverage up to $180 in free cryptocurrency with the power of leverage, which is insane if you ask me here. So these are obviously available, and it allows you to pretty much enhance. Like a little goes a long way with this bonus crypto. Imagine $50. If 10 is 180, what $50 would do. So it can really benefit you. And because it's not your money, if you lose it, who cares? You can see on bonus crypto here, trading profits can be withdrawn. That is insane. That is awesome. And that is very useful in regards to future trades that you have on the channel, or future trades you have on the exchange. So if you lose any bonus money, you're fine to reset it the next day. And if you gain profits off of it, you can withdraw it completely free. So moving forward from BitFi and these other cryptos, let's look at Solana here. You can see it's not just XRP that's consolidating. Like Solana is consolidating as well. Solana is playing out as well. And you can see the higher low, higher high pattern that is forming here. As we head up even higher, more than likely what we're going to expect is inevitably maybe a breakdown to the upside here, but we are filling this gap, and all we need is really confirmation either above or below resistances. Once we get confirmation above resistance or below resistance, we'll know how to buy in. If we break through here, we rally up. We break through this, we'll short to the downside. I mean, it's pretty much standard across the board, but the best part is it's revealing these things to us, which makes it that much more intriguing and that much more interesting because we now know how to trade on this. We can slightly adjust this if we want to include this. Like I said, it's super early. We still have 1, 2, 3 points of contact here on Ethereum. And same thing with the bottom here. And you can see as we fill in this gap, these are bull flags yet again, and these typically break bullish. So that's what we're waiting for. If we can confirm closure outside of that, that would inevitably cause a pump on a rally to the upside here. And we can take advantage of these as the markets are consolidating. It is lowering its volume. We can just double check on the coin market cap here. You can see where are we? That volume is only up volume's up 17% for this week, but you can see we are kind of consolidating 1.4%. Lots of consolidation across the board. For most of these cryptos, we're kind of like trading sideways now. and not seeing any more explosions. So the volume is kind of cooling down, tapering off, whatever you want to call it here. And that inevitably is going to allow either more runs or more removals from the markets here. And then Bitcoin looks incredible too. Beautiful symmetrical triangle filling in this gap. If we manage to break bullish, that would be the best case scenario here. But it really comes down to how we react with these and which way we confirm closure, either above or below it. It's literally that simple. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Stock market looks good too, still consolidating. I think it is going to be heading down in the future. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.